Happy Friday, everyone. Today I have another beautiful Mopar. It's a real nice 1968 Coronet RT 440 automatic. The stuff dreams are made of, in my opinion. Beautiful car. We just did a whole bunch of work to it. It was restored about 10 or 12 years ago, and then it sat for a while. Needed to be brought out of its slumber. Did a lot of little upgrades to it, some repairs. Really didn't need that much, but it turned out to be a lot of work, as it usually is with these types of projects, but it paid off. Really nice car. Hang on a second. Pretty original. We did actually do a disc brake upgrade on it. It was drum brakes, some suspension work, some headers. It's not totally stock and original, but it is a numbers matching 440 RT. So just a really nice car. Nice unmolested car. Interior was done a while ago. We did some gauges and a little bit of work on the interior. But the color is called B5 Blue. It's actually a 1969 color. They didn't make it in 68. A lot of people do it because it's a really popular Mopar color. But just a great car, fun to drive. Just took it for a test drive after doing a lot of work on it, and it's running amazing. And I think the customer is going to be real happy with it when we're done. Hope you enjoyed.